Imagine a company going public and becoming one of the most valuable business on earth in just a single day. That's exactly what happened with SpaceX. Its stock market debut didn't just make headlines, it pushed the company's valuation close to $2 trillion and turned Elon Musk into the world's first trillionaire. So, what happened on IPO day? Why were investors so excited? And is this valuation really justified? Let's break it down. SpaceX officially entered the US stock market with one of the biggest IPOs in history. The company priced its shares at $135 each, raising around $75 billion dollars from investors. That alone valued SpaceX at roughly $1.77 trillion before regular trading even began. But the excitement didn't stop there. When trading finally opened, the stock started at $155 per share, about 11% above its IPO price. By the end of the day, shares had climbed to around $159, marking an overall gain of roughly 18%. That incredible first day rally pushed SpaceX's market value to nearly $2 trillion, instantly making it one of the six most valuable publicly traded companies in the United States. Demand for the IPO was massive. Reports suggest investors wanted nearly four times more shares than were available. A large portion of those shares went to long term institutional investors and sovereign wealth funds, including funds from Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. These investors are generally known for holding investments over long periods rather than looking for quick profits. Because demand was so high, trading didn't actually begin right after the market opened. The exchange delayed trading for several hours so underwriters could balance buy and sell orders and avoid excessive volatility. SpaceX's debut also came during a positive day for the broader US stock market. Investor sentiment improved after signs of a possible temporary peace agreement between the United States and Iran, raising hopes that shipping through the Strait of Hormuz could remain open. Major US indexes finished the day in positive territory, adding to the optimistic mood surrounding the IPO. One of the biggest reasons investors are betting on SpaceX is Starlink. The satellite internet business reportedly generates around 80% of the company's revenue, giving SpaceX a strong commercial business alongside its rocket launches. Despite its enormous valuation, the company isn't yet making profile at the level of other tech giants. In fact, it reported a loss of nearly $5 billion last year while generating much less revenue than many companies with similar market values. That means investors are placing a huge bet on SpaceX's future growth rather than its current financial performance. SpaceX market debut wasn't just another IPO, it became a defining moment for global financial markets. A nearly $2 trillion valuation, overwhelming investor demand, and a new milestone for Elon Musk have made this one of the biggest business stories of the year. But the real question is whether SpaceX can grow into a valuation this massive over the coming years. Do you think SpaceX deserves a $2 trillion valuation, or has investor excitement gone too far? Let us know your thoughts in comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more business and technology explainers.